Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video we're going to introduce a new concept in Android called the view holders. The view holder is a design pattern used in Android to improve the performance of ListView and RecyclerView by caching views for smoother scrolling. It's particularly helpful when working with adapters, where the getView method is called frequently as the user scrolls through a list or grid of items. The view holder is an inner class within the custom adapter. It serves as a container for the views for a single item in the grid view. The purpose of using view holder is to reduce the number of calls to findViewById method, which can be an expensive operation, especially in large lists or grids. Imagine you have 100 items in your grid view or list view. You need to call findViewById 100 times. But with using the view holder technique and design pattern, this will be reduced. The third step is to override the getView. So I'll go up and write getView and click OK. And here I'm overriding the getView method. The getView method is a crucial part of the adapter class in Android, and it's responsible for returning a view that represents an item at a specific position in a list, grid view, or other similar components. In the next video, we're going to deep dive into the getView and link the view holder with the getView. So this is how we create the inner class view holder in our adapters.